Hey guys, I'm Alex Tilley. I play drums for Ed Force One, a tribute to Maiden, and today I'm going to teach you a simple 4/4 rock beat. So first off, we are going to play the hi-hat rhythm, which is just 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you're going to keep playing that until you are comfortable with it and you are ready to add something else to it. Secondly, we are going to add the bass drum pattern, which is played as 1, 2, 3, 4. So every time, like when you count it, when you 1 on the 1, bass drum 2, bass drum 3, bass drum 4, bass drum. So it'd be like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again with this one. You'll keep playing that together. You can just play that by itself, just the 1, 2, 3, 4, and then add the hi-hats in, and then keep playing them both together until you feel comfortable to add the snare pattern in. Lastly, we're going to add the snare drum beat, which is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now everything together would sound like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So again, the hi-hat pattern is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The bass drum pattern is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the snare pattern is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So thank you for tuning in to today's lesson. I'll see you tomorrow at 2 PM for another one.